Hey there, this is Maddie and I'm on the onboarding team here at Moz. Today we're going to take a look at how we can sort our keywords by ranking gains and losses. First off, we want to start by jumping into the ranking section of the campaign and then scrolling down until we hit our tracked keywords overview. From here, we select the keywords we're wanting to look at just on the left-hand side, and then as we press the add label, from here we can choose whichever we want to call it. So for example, I'm going to go today as the drop July 2020. As we confirm, you'll actually see these grey boxes appearing underneath these specific keywords. From here, what we can do is pop up into the label box, click on the drop down, and then actually select the group that we're wanting to focus on. From here, we can then use these filters across the top to dig in and have a look at this info a little bit further. Hopefully this is helpful in order for you to keep track on what's going on with the keywords moving around each month.